Good morning, YouTube. Today is now Tuesday, February 4th, 8:10 in the a.m. We are 7 hours away, 452 miles away from delivery, which should be there if we left right this second about 3:13, but we probably won't get there till about 4 because we've got to go over here and get fuel. We can top off and head on down the way, and hopefully today is a flawless drive day. We're going to stop for 30 somewhere along. Well, we won't have to, but maybe we won't have to at all. I may have to stop to use the restroom or something, but that's 7 hours. I'm going to try to do it straight through. We'll see what happens just because I want to make sure I get this load cut off, delivered before payroll. So let's get fuel and head on down the way. Let's get to getting, baby. Let's get to getting. Then I can finally look for a follow-up because I can't get a load yet because of the system. Yeah, whatever. Same days. Oh, it's a food, huh? Oh, it's an Albertson truck. It's a Schneider truck hauling an Albertson trailer. Okay. I didn't realize Schneider had an Albertson dedicated account, but okay. All right. Let's get going. All right, we are here, and I just learned something. If you get to drop off before 5 o'clock, all you got to do is drop this bitch and grab a dropping hook. You ain't got to go to the office. You ain't got to do nothing. So while I disconnect this loaded trailer and go find an empty, you watch this. We drove straight through. So watch this. I'll be back with you momentarily.
676 Family Dollar Stores of Florida Inc. Number 9550 is on the right in 100 feet. 60-minute warning. You have reached your destination. Continue east. Locate a safe place to turn around. Locate a safe place to turn around.
All right, did you enjoy that? We traveled straight through 468 miles in 7 hours and 5 minutes. But now I'm at the Pilot truck stop in Mariana. Remember a couple weeks ago when I stopped here and I did that Walmart trip? That's where I'm at now. I'm thinking about going in there and getting me a rotisserie chicken this evening for dinner. Because right now it's 4:45 local. And some eggs, perhaps. Not going to get a full store load, not get a full stock up right now because, funds are low. So I'm gonna grab something for sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and call this video, even though I know I talked in the intro and I talked to the shipper and I'm talking now. I haven't done nothing but drive. Today was a solid drive day. I got the load delivered well before the payroll cutoff, so hopefully it gets processed and nothing happens to where I don't get it. Problem is my daggone NAT. My NAT now won't let me update to what I want it to be. Because the system still says I should be on that load, even though I've already cleared it out and it's in process. But it doesn't matter because I haven't found a load yet for tomorrow. And I just did a quick glance because I'm debating on whether I want to go over there and grab food or not this time of evening. So I don't know yet. Anyhow, that's going to be it for today. Sorry, this is just a really short video, but appreciate all the support. Oh, new member alert. This is lucky number 13. Our 13th member on the channel is Big Eye. Appreciate you, buddy. Shout out to you, man. I really appreciate it. Remember, if you want to be, and it says it joined 2 days ago, and I got no freaking notification. They don't give us notifications, so I don't check this screen often, but I need to start checking it. So if you're interested in becoming a member of the channel, do that little extra effort to extra support, then the link's in the description. Just take you right to it, or you should see join somewhere below the window or the video screen, whatever. It's totally optional. I get it. People don't want to do it or aren't able to do it. You got to feel bad either way, or just don't want it. Whatever. It's just there for the ones that are willing and able to just go and who want to support the channel a little more. That's all it is. So thank you so much, Big Eye, for joining the members. We really appreciate it, and everybody else for watching, and everybody clicking the likes and the shares and the comments, because I love the interaction with you guys for sure. Even when I'm wrong about something, correct me. So, but thank you so much. Appreciate it. We'll see what happens. Technically right now I could do a reset, but I really don't want to. If I can't find anything tomorrow that's like worthy of going after, then I'll just finish out a reset. But we're not going to think about that yet. I don't want to stay here for 2 days. That's for damn sure. So anyway, thanks so much. Have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow.